Hello everyone, welcome to LTM Automotive and to my home village in Portugal. Now in the last video we sadly had to say goodbye to the Porsche, so it is about time I show you my latest acquisition. Another MX-5, but this one is a little bit different. You see, this one is more powerful and more rusty than the NA, but somehow it feels heavier, disconnected even. And I think that's down not just for the extra weight and the knackered stock suspension, but because of the few corroded components as well. And that'll be the first thing to do, put this lump of rust on a diet. Now this project will probably take a while, a very long while in fact, due to my lack of knowledge. I have never done this before, limited budget and limited amount of tools. But I think it'll be a fun way of showing you guys every step of the way on me transforming this pile of rust into a lightweight sports toy. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tune in next week for the first modifications that I'm gonna do to this heap of junk.